Today I will show you how to add a new user in custom VisiDial theme. So first log into your admin panel and enter a user ID and password. After login to your admin panel will open. Now go to user and click add new user. Now just fill the details. I am using 3355 as the user ID and password. For name I will use King Demo. User level keep it 1. User group select agent. And phone login and password I will use 3355 again. Now click save and your user is ready. You can see your user ID successfully created. Thank you for watching.